Good morning everyone. It's my 16th day of 75 day challenge and guys, rain has started again. Actually I had already knowledge like information about this before coming from my house. Actually on my phone alert has also came, it's going to be rain, heavily rain, but what I can do, I have no any days left, so I have to come here no matter what will going to happen. Yes, no matter what will going to happen, I have to come here and I have to do. Actually I just completed my running, but I'm unable to do because started drizzling here. And yeah, I'm waiting. If it will stop, then I will continue, otherwise I will do just meditate and little bit workout, and then I will retreat to my home. So let's see what's gonna happen. So forget about this guys, I'm making this video in case if I will not get chance to make, because if rain will start, then I won't cover, like I won't be able to cover my this phone, so that's why. So forget it about this guys. I wanted to share a thing which I had started, like especially I started watching a series, so I just wanted to share here. Actually that series name is Friends, and that Friends is worldwide famous. Lots of English learners, they use this Friends series to learn lots of vocab, lots of phrases, and especially English for. So guys, you can also try, if someone will watch this video, you can also try this and give a shot. At least go and watch at least first episode. If you will find any interest, then you can continue, otherwise who care, right? I'm just sharing here. And let me tell you what, like lots of words I learned. So for example, one of the word I learned, fixating on, and how to use in daily conversation means, if someone is repeating again and again something on a particular topic or a particular anything, so you can say, brother, why are you keep fixating on that topic? Means just stop it, do not repeat, do not say again and again. And it's not it's not like similar to exaggerate. Exaggerate means you're explaining a lot, okay, but fixating on means you're also repeating, but you're just kind of frustrated. Come on, just stop it. Why are you repeating again and again? Or you can also use in a positive way, but we do not use this fixating on a lot in a positive manner. We use every time in a negative manner. Please stop. Do not fixating on this point, do not fixating on that situation, like that, in that kind of context. So that's how we can use fixating. And there are lots of words I'm learning. I wrote down on my book, but today I will going to research a little bit, and I'm going to find how I can use in my daily life, in my daily conversation. So that's it. That's what I wanted to share. Okay, and let's see, if rain will stop, then I will continue, otherwise I have to retreat towards my home. So that's it guys, see you tomorrow then.